Hey everybody, have a wonderful day. Welcome to InfoRx. In this video talk about Huawei Mate X5 foldable with 7.85-inch OLED display and 16GB RAM launched in China. Highlights. The Huawei Mate X5 has a bigger 5060 mAh battery. The Huawei Mate X5 has a 6.4-inch OLED cover display. The foldable has a 50 megapixels triple camera set up on the back panel. Huawei is back with another foldable smartphone launch in 2023. It debuted the Mate X3 in April and has now unveiled the new Mate X5 in China. The latest offering has a similar design and features as the previous one, but there are some differences as well. Huawei has packed the newest launch with a different processor, more RAM, and a bigger battery. Huawei Mate X5 price and availability. The Huawei Mate X5 is available in 12GB and 16GB RAM options, but with the same 512GB onboard storage. There is a Huawei Mate X5 Collector's Edition variant featuring 16GB RAM and a choice between 512GB and 1TB storage. Huawei is yet to reveal Mate X5 pricing details, but it can be pre-booked via Vmall by paying 1,000 Chinese yuan, about 11,386 rupees, in China. The foldable is expected to go on sale from September 15. Its color options are feather white, feather black, feather gold, phantom purple, and green mountain dye. There are no words on the global availability yet. Huawei Mate X5 specifications and features. The Huawei Mate X5 has a folding design similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. It sports a 7.85-inch OLED primary display with 2496 by 2224 pixels resolution and up to 120 Hz refresh rate. The panel supports up to 240 Hz touch sampling rate, 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and P3 wide color gamut. The cover display on the foldable measures 6.4 inch and it comes with a 2504 by 1080 pixels resolution. It is an LTPO OLED panel with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, up to 300 Hz touch sampling rate, and 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. It comes with Kunlun glass protection, but the collector's edition has basalt-tempered Kunlun glass protection. Huawei has not shared processor details, but it is expected to be the same Kirin 9000's chipset. The Mate X3 was launched with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. The foldable has multiple configurations featuring up to 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage. These are 12GB, 512GB, 16GB, 512GB, 16GB, 512GB, and 16GB, 1TB. On the back, the Mate X5 is packed with a triple camera module headlined by a 50 megapixels sensor with f1.8 aperture. The other two cameras include a 13 megapixels ultra-wide-angle sensor with f2.2 aperture and a 12 megapixels periscope telephoto sensor with f3.4 aperture and optical image stabilization. The module supports up to 5x optical zoom and up to 50x digital zoom. The front camera on the phone is an 8 megapixels sensor with f2.4 aperture and 4K video recording. The whole package is packed with a 5060 mAh battery with 66W wired fast charging support. It also supports 50W wireless fast charging and 7.5W reverse wireless charging. The phone will boot HarmonyOS 4.0 as the operating system. Other features include an IPX8 rating for water resistance, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, a USB Type-C port, NFC, and a fingerprint scanner. Thanks for watching this video. For more updates, touch with us. What next?